Next question is, how many clicks should I get before I start optimizing my PPC? It really depends. Is it exact match or is it not exact match? Because if it's an exact match, then you would have a clear metric of 10 clicks is a 10% conversion, 15 clicks, and then 20 clicks, and then 20 clicks is like 5% conversion. So it's going to be important to see it's an exact match, because then the conversion is going to be straightforward. And probably then what we're doing on our end, it really depends also on how high are we going on the what is profitable or what not. But what I would suggest is have at least 10 to 15 clicks before making any optimization, especially if you're in exact match. Now, when it comes to not exact matches, that is broad match, phrase match, auto campaigns, maybe category targeting, you will need more clicks to decide what to do next. In that scenario, what I would suggest is have lower bids, because for those clicks to convert, you would need to have more bleeding margin. I would recommend in that case waiting up to 20 clicks, even 30 clicks. Sometimes each keyword that you have in your campaign is going to add up in different search terms. So that's why I'm saying that you should be treating these two differently. How many clicks should I get before I start optimizing my PPC? It's going to be highly dependent on the ad type that you're running and then the mesh type also that you're running.